and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to turn our favorite childhood sandwich into banana bread. Yes, we all love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and sometimes we add bananas in them. So this recipe, we're going to combine all ingredients into one. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking dish with some parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, go ahead and use some cooking spray and just spray the inside. Now go ahead and set it aside. For your dry ingredients, add your flour into a bowl, add your baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Now go ahead and mix all of those ingredients with a fork. Now for the wet ingredients, go ahead and add your eggs into a food processor. If you don't have one, go ahead and use a handheld mixer. Add your brown sugar, add your oil, add your vanilla, add your peanut butter. Next, we're going to add our bananas. If you have bananas that are not ripened yet, go ahead and stick them in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, and they will look like this. Now these are ready for baking. If yours look like this, do not use them for your baking because they are not yet ripened. Now add them to your food processor. Go ahead and blend until it is well combined. This is how it's looking after everything is well combined. This is exactly what you're looking for. Pour your wet ingredients into the flour, and we're going to mix that very gentle. Do not overwork the flour because we do not want the bread to be stiff. So once you add that in, now fold everything together. This is how it's looking after folding all those ingredients together. That looks perfect. Now, pour that into your baking dish. Ooh. Now spread that evenly. Just like so. Now take your jam and put that over the batter. Now take your knife and we're going to work it into the batter. And this doesn't have to be pretty. Just like so. Now stick it in the oven and bake for 50 minutes or until the toothpick come out clean. After 50 minutes, this is how it's looking. Go in with a toothpick and make sure that it is completely done baking. As you can see, this is perfect. So now allow this to cool completely. Hello guys, so my peanut butter and jelly banana bread is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? I went and added some strawberry jam into the small bowl and some peanut butter and microwave them for about 15 seconds. And what I like to do is grab my bread and just dip it in here. Just like so. And it is so delicious. This recipe was super easy to make. Go ahead and give it a try and come back and let me know how you liked it. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.